In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Sendwave account in USA. By the end, you'll have a brand new account ready to go, and you'll understand what each screen is asking for, so nothing feels confusing or rushed. Start by opening your Sendwave app. On the home screen, look for the option to sign up and tap it. You'll be asked for a few basics to get your profile started. Enter your full name exactly as it appears on your government ID. Matching your legal name helps prevent issues later with verification or transfers. Next, type in your email address. Make sure it's an inbox you can access easily because Sendwave may send you important updates and receipts there. Double check for typos before you continue. Now you'll set up your phone details. Tap the small flag icon next to the phone number field. This opens a country list so you can select your country code. You can scroll or use the search bar. If you're in the United States, choose United States to apply the +1 code. Then enter your mobile number. Use a number that can receive text messages on the device you're using, since you'll need it for verification in the next step. You'll see a prompt that says, "Where are you sending first?" Tap that and choose the country you plan to send money to first. This helps personalize your experience with the right payout options and fees for that destination. After that, check the box confirming you agree to the app's terms and policies. It's always a good idea to skim them so you know how your information is used and what protections you have. Once that's checked, tap Sign Up. A verification code will be sent to your mobile number. Keep the app open, and when the code arrives, enter it exactly as shown. These codes can be time sensitive, so enter it promptly and never share it with anyone. After your number is verified, you'll be prompted to create a PIN. Enter a secure PIN that you'll remember, but others won't guess. Then tap Create PIN. You'll be asked to re-enter the same PIN to confirm it. Type it again carefully and tap Confirm PIN. That's it. Your account is created. You should see a confirmation message on the screen. From here, you can explore the app, knowing your profile, email, and phone are set up correctly. Keep your PIN private and make sure your contact details stay up to date for smooth future transfers. Thanks for following along and enjoy using Sendwave in the USA.